3/4 of an inch, I think.
Well, yeah,
Come
my PD is a full 6mm vitamin.
So
And
where
the
are
rest
you,
of my
Jared?
head is size to match.
I'm not,
Yeah. No, like even with this though, the frame is bending out to accommodate my head. I mean, Whoa!
yeah, this one right here.
When they do it upside down, they flip you back. It's nuts.
Alright, let me launch it.
You wanna?
Yeah.
Alright.
Which button is it?
It's enter key.
Go
Make sure he's up high.
Go on the upswing on the way up.
Yeah.
Alright. Now.
I should have waited a bit on that. I should have gotten more arc.